Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need two things right away. A phone that supports always-on display and enough battery. Make sure battery saver is off. First, open Settings and search Always On or Ambient Display. Enable the toggle if present. If your OS lacks it, install the lightweight AOD app I recommend and grant the minimal permissions it asks for, display over other apps, and wake lock. Once done, move to configuring what shows on the locked screen. Now configure the details so the clock stays visible after lock. Open the AOD or System option and pick a low-brightness clock style. Avoid full-color animated widgets. Make sure brightness for AOD is set to low or adaptive, and set display timeout to never or a long interval. Crucially, exempt the AOD app from battery optimization and allow auto start. This prevents the system from killing the process. Once these are set, test by locking the phone and watching the display. Finish by locking the device and verifying the time remains visible. If it turns off quickly, immediately recheck battery optimization, background app limits, and any vendor power management settings. Some manufacturers enforce aggressive kills. Reboot the phone, update the system and the AOD app, then retest. If problems persist, install an alternate trusted AOD app or enable a developer flag that prevents sleep. One key trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.